Regular health exams and tests can help find problems before they become an issue. You can start the new year off right with a visit to your primary doctor, but be prepared before you go. Dr. Brent Wallis joins us now with some tips. Good morning, Dr. Wallis.
Good morning.
Okay, so a lot of people, I think, kind of feel, I'm healthy. I don't necessarily need to go to the doctor every year. But why is it so important for people to go and get these annual checkups?
Well, this time of year, it's really important. We're about to start a new year. So it's a great opportunity to go to your physician and talk to them about what happened in the last year and what may be coming up this year. They, a lot of times, can identify silent diseases, things like heart disease, diabetes, high blood pressure, that you may not even know that you have a problem with. When
you get an annual checkup, is it just the doctor talking to you saying, hey, how have you been feeling? Have you been eating and exercising? Or are they actually running, an array of tests as well to see what's going on the inside?
Right. A little bit of both. I mean, usually when you go to the doctor, one of the best things to do is have a list of things that you may be concerned about.
Okay.
And the doctor will talk to you about your history, do a physical exam, and then a lot of times check some lab work to see if they can identify anything.
Can you talk about how it's very important to be honest with your doctor? You don't want to make it sound like you're exercising if you're not, or eating healthier than you might not be,
Right. You have to tell us the truth. That's very important. We can't do anything about it if we don't know anything about it. So, people are reluctant to tell their doctor about their exercise habits, about their eating habits, and especially this time of year about their drinking habits.
Sure.
So it's real important to be honest with your physician about that.
And especially this time of year, there's so much stress built around the holidays with, spending money on gifts and going to holiday parties, as we were just talking about. So is that even more of a need to get checked out then after the new year, just to make sure everything's working properly?
Definitely. I think this time of year people do get a little stressed out. There's a lot of family around. There's a lot of things to get done. So it's really important to take this opportunity to kind of look back and see, what am I going to do to be healthier in 2019?
And something that's important as well, building an extra time when you do go to the doctor, because I know a lot of people get frustrated if they have to sit around and wait, or maybe wait for an appointment, but it's just, it is what it is.
Right. I mean, our offices are very busy, especially this time of year. A lot of people are trying to get in before the end of the year.
Sure.
So, it's sometimes, like I mentioned, it's important to come up with a list of things so you make sure all of it's addressed by your doctor.
Bottom line, be prepared before you get your annual checkup.
Definitely.
All right, Dr. Brent Wallis, thank you for your time this morning.
Thank you.
We appreciate it.